50 advanced adjectives to sound more intelligent. Want to sound smarter in conversations or writing? Here are 50 advanced adjectives to elevate your English vocabulary. Each word comes with a quick explanation to help you master it. Save this high-value list and rewatch to boost your language skills. Let's dive in. 1. Acerbic. Acerbic describes sharp, biting wit or tone, like a clever, sarcastic remark. 2. Altruistic. Altruistic means selflessly caring for others, like donating without expecting a reward. 3. Ambivalent. Ambivalent is feeling mixed emotions, like being torn between two choices. 4. Anachronistic. Anachronistic refers to something outdated, like a typewriter in a digital age. 5. Arcane. Arcane means mysterious or secret, like hidden knowledge only experts understand. 6. Austere. Austere describes simple, strict, or plain things, like a minimalist room. 7. Beguiling. Beguiling means charmingly deceptive, like a captivating but tricky smile. 8. Bellicose. Bellicose describes a warlike or aggressive attitude, like a heated debate. 9. Benevolent. Benevolent means kind and generous, like a leader who truly cares. 10. Byzantine. Byzantine refers to something complex or intricate, like a convoluted process. 11. Capricious. Capricious means unpredictable, like weather that changes suddenly. 12. Cerebral. Cerebral describes intellectual depth, like a thought-provoking book. 13. Clandestine. Clandestine means secretive, like a hidden meeting in the shadows. 14. Cogent. Cogent describes clear, convincing arguments that persuade effortlessly. 15. Contrite. Contrite means deeply remorseful, like sincerely apologizing for a mistake. 16. Convivial. Convivial describes a warm, friendly atmosphere, like a lively party. 17. Cursory. Cursory means quick and superficial, like a rushed glance at a book. 18. Dearth. Dearth refers to a scarcity or a lack, like a shortage of resources. 19. Deft. Deft means skillful and quick, like a chef's precise knife work. 20. Demure. Demure describes modest or reserved behavior, like a shy, polite smile. 21. Derisive. Derisive means mocking or scornful, like a sarcastic laugh at a bad idea. 22. Didactic. Didactic describes teaching-focused content, like a moral-heavy story. 23. Disparate. Disparate means distinctly different, like ideas that don't align. 24. Ebullient. Ebullient describes cheerful enthusiasm, like a bubbly, excited speech. 25. Efficacious. Efficacious means effective, like a medicine that works perfectly. 26. Egregious. Egregious describes shockingly bad things, like a glaring mistake. 27. Ephemeral. Ephemeral means short-lived, like a flower that blooms for a day. 28. Equivocal. Equivocal describes ambiguous or unclear statements, like vague answers. 29. Erudite. Erudite means highly knowledgeable, like a scholar with vast learning. 30. Esoteric. Esoteric refers to niche knowledge, understood by few, like rare trivia. 31. Exigent. Exigent means urgent or demanding, like a crisis needing quick action. 32. Fastidious. Fastidious describes meticulous attention to detail, like a perfectionist. 33. Fecund. Fecund means highly productive, like a mind bursting with ideas. 34. Garrulous. Garrulous describes overly talkative people, like a chatty friend. 35. Gregarious. Gregarious means sociable and outgoing, like someone who loves crowds. 36. Hackneyed. Hackneyed describes overused phrases, like cliched movie lines. 37. Iconoclastic. Iconoclastic means challenging traditions, like a bold new idea. 38. Idiosyncratic. Idiosyncratic describes unique quirks, like an odd personal habit. 39. Inscrutable. Inscrutable means hard to understand, like a mysterious expression. 40. Insidious. Insidious describes subtle harm, like a problem that grows unnoticed. 41. Limpid. Limpid means clear and transparent, like crystal clear writing. 42. Magnanimous. Magnanimous describes generous forgiveness, like sparing an enemy. 43. Nebulous. Nebulous means vague or unclear, like a hazy, undefined plan. 44. Obstropus. Obstropus describes loud, disruptive behavior, like a noisy protest. 45. Perspicuous. Perspicuous means clearly expressed, like a simple, eloquent speech. 46. Prolific. Prolific describes high productivity, like an author with many books. 47. Sagacious. Sagacious means wise and insightful, like a mentor's clever advice. 48. Trenchant. Trenchant describes sharp, effective criticism, like a witty review. 49. Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means found everywhere, like smartphones in modern life. 50. Zealous. Zealous describes passionate enthusiasm, like a dedicated activist. That's 50 advanced adjectives to make you sound smarter. Save this video to revisit these words and level up your English. Subscribe for more quick vocabulary lessons and let us know which adjective you'll use first in the comments.